Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So in browsing Prime Video, it's important to know whether a title is free, rentable or purchasable. Okay, so you don't accidentally pay when you didn't mean to. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to tell rent from buy titles on Prime Video in 2026 cleanly and confidently. Okay, so first thing first, open a title, like select a movie or a show. You will land on the contents page. Okay, look for price buttons, like you will typically see rent, which is lower price, and buy, which is higher price. These appear as buttons near the play option. Understand the difference, like rent means pay once. Okay, it's limited time access, for example 30 days to start or 48 hours to finish. Buy means pay more, permanent access in your library. So like a summary, like rent means temporary and buy means permanent. Okay, so check for included with Prime. Like if you see included with Prime, it's free, no rent or buy needed. Always choose this if available. Okay, compare options, like some titles offer all three, like free, which is Prime, rent and buy. So choose what fits your needs. Okay, so confirm before watching, like double check the selected button. Okay, make sure it's what you intend. Avoid accidental purchases. Okay, so there are some common mistakes that happen while this process, like clicking buy instead of rent. Okay, not noticing included with Prime, assuming all content is free, or ignoring price differences, or not reading rental conditions. Okay, so one click means possible charge. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.